All right, here we go, family. It's day 3 of our buff booster. 4-star. No nature. So 1 loss yesterday, 1 loss on Monday. And wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is that 16%? Yes, it is. Okay, let's just start. Now, I kind of wish I would have gone with the tune version of Kiro. Maybe that would have been better. Okay, let's go. Okay. They have a lot of healers. He's the most dangerous. Okay, so we're going to need a Dispel. We're going to use Sabina for... Wait, let me see here. Well, let's get 1 hero at least. I want to use this version. No, the tank is blue. I think I'm going to go mainly dark. So let's use Merlin. We'll use this version of Sabina right here to prevent them from getting any ailments. Then we'll use Lexi. And I think we'll use a defense down hero. I kind of wanted to go with 2 healers since they have so many of them. Okay, let's give this a shot. Okay, this is just a good start. Let me turn that down. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to focus on the center 3. I want Galambersi to die. Yeah. All right. Let's see here. I'm not going to worry about the Goldie side. Let's see. Let's actually see if we can dispel that with tiles. I mean, with Rishu's special. Well, I guess not. One turn left. Stop. Okay. All right. Now we're going to do this. And then this. And then we hit Kiro. Okay. Let's see if wait. Let's see if this will work. Okay, cool. Now we gotta get rid of regard. Okay, that was nice. All right, flag number 2. Ooh. Okay. We're gonna need a dispel for sure. We'll keep Sabina. I think what I'm just gonna do is get another healer just to be on the safe side. Okay. I wonder if I should just go with Proteus instead. Okay, so I have Sabina to prevent them from getting buffs. Lishu to dispel if they get any. Lexi for the elemental defense down. Kiro for the, what is that, attack down? Yeah. And Proteus to freeze them and prevent them from gaining any mana. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to freeze the center 3. What happened? Oh, I wish I would have used. That's weird. Oh, I wish I would have used Proteus first. Dagnabbit. I gotta look back and see what happened. That was really weird. Okay. Ugh, here we go again. Huh, that's pretty odd because I normally have blocking on to get no notifications, but some phone calls can be able to go through. That was really weird. I don't really understand how that, what happened there with the last attack. I'm going to be short 1 tile. Okay, I got rid of the Mega Minion, but... Oh well. That's pretty heavy. Wow. That Mega Minion just kicks my butt. Alright. Let's try this again. We're going to go with a different version. Let's use this version of Regard. And we really don't need... We'll use her. Okay, let's go. Why couldn't they have given me a board like this the last time? Game sure does me well once I give them gems. You know what, come to think of it, I'm thinking that the shared damage adds a buff to them, huh? I'm gonna wait till after Regard cleanses. There's a hell of a lot of nature tiles here. Okay. Can he die? Will that kill him? Kill him. Kill him. I see you tried to go for my healer. Regard, UG. Okay. Now let's get these shoe going. Yeah, boy. And I have Greg too. I need to level him up. Gosh, that Mega Minion just tears me up. Okay. I hate those things. This should be fun. We're going to use this version of Kalau because she has the chance to bypass defensive buffs. This time we'll use Golem Bursty. This version. And then another healer. Okay, we're going to need a cleanse. Okay. Let's try that out. Let's see what tiles they don't give me. Yellows. Ah, boy. I'm actually surprised. Okay. Let's do... Which side? Which side? He has a chance to reflect this, huh? So let's go here. Oh, but I do have regard to cleanse it, huh? Forgot about that. Kill him. Alright, cool. I thought he was going to revive, too. Yeah. That was the best one to aim for. Probably gonna have to kill Kira with tiles. Yellow tiles, not green ones. That's it. Will this stick? Nope. Okay. Typical for day number 3. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys for day 4.